Hello, Cotton Cuts enthusiasts. Thank you so much for joining us for this video. We are so excited to be able to open our Rosa's Holiday Your Way Notions gift box with you. We love putting together these things every year and being able to bring you things from all over the world, from lots of different places, from companies big and small. So what we're going to do is spend the next several days opening these boxes. We're going to show you each item and what's inside and why it's cool and special. However, if you have received one of them and you haven't opened these items yet, please, please, please stop your video now. Stop it, hit the pause button, close it, because I am going to be spoiling what is inside of these boxes. So this is what the box looks like, guys. If you do not want to see the contents, please stop the video, shut down YouTube, close all your notifications. We are going to take one video at a time and go through each item. So this is your final warning. All right, so now that you've been warned, we're going to open something super cool from our Notions box. So this one is titled Never Forget Where It Came From. And it's bright and it's yellow and it's fun. So never forget where it came from makes me think that there's going to be something inside that's going to help me remember something that I might commonly forget. So we're going to go ahead and open this one up. And, oh, and the kid unwrapping, it's round. So it feels like tape is what it feels like to me. And so actually what this is called Fabric ID tape from Katie and the Machine. So Katie and the Machine is a very cool quilting company from Australia. And this is a product that I saw in a store and I reached out to them and I was like, can we put this in our Notions box? You guys, if you try to find this in the United States, it's actually relatively expensive because of the import, but we were able to do something really cool to be able to include it in here. But what I want to show you is what's actually on the tape. And so I'm going to see if we can zoom in and get some, no glare on it. But what this is meant to be is tape that you put on fabric after you purchase it. And what you do is you put where it came from, has it been washed or not, what's the width, what's the length, where did you buy it from, and any notes. So if you buy that piece of fabric at a store and you're like, I'm going to use this for this project, and by the time you get back to your quilt room, you forget about it, this is going to help you. How many times have you lost the selvage on a fat quarter and needed to replace it? This, guys, is worth its weight in gold. I am so happy we were able to include it in the box, and I cannot wait to see you guys use this on your projects, on those pre-cut pieces, on those fat quarters, anything that you might forget where it came from. Hey, so now that you've seen what's inside of it, if you want to see what else we have, be sure to check our other videos on this channel. We're going to do one item per video. It was so much fun sharing all of this with you and why these are some of our favorite things from this year. So if you're interested in learning more about Cotton Cuts, simply go to cottoncuts.com to learn about all the crazy and cool things that we do throughout the year, more than just delivering cool notions to our people. We have our Puzzle Mystery Quilt program. We have all of our fabric memberships, all of our thread memberships. We do special programs throughout the year. So you are definitely going to want to like and subscribe this video in order to stay up to speed with all the new and awesome things happening at Cotton Cuts. Thank you so much for watching this, and bye now.